10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Welcome to Solved Online, the online business information solution service through legislation.gov.uk for all clients at all levels in all problems. And today's topic again, Solved Online, the active implantable medical device ISO legislation updates and solutions. Again, we're going to go over the legislation updates first, then we'll continue. Yes, this will be a 15-minute program. Also, Solved Online YouTube platform is to report on business solutions through legislation.gov.uk by reviewing and highlighting past and present acts. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to help build a global online business solution system on accountability, sustainability, and transparency in growth and protection. Solved Online knows that, again, there's no business like the king's business. We provide solutions, discoveries, documents, show reference, show demonstrations, direction, instruction, accuracy, and correction to get to that 1,000 subscribers. Yes, Sold Online, again, is the media and research department for the House of Lancelot. Again, check that out, the website. Yeah, we're gonna go over to the legislation.gov.uk because again, that's where everything goes down. And there's a lot of documents that have been published today, so we're gonna get through all of those. Then we're gonna get to something very important that everyone really needs to observe, from again a testing point of view. So, we're on legislation.gov.uk, as you can see, #1 place, when it comes to all, solutions, because parliamentary business is life business. That's where all of the life business takes place, and it's good for everyone to be able to understand what's going on also. So, okay, then we're gonna get to it. Always we go down, it will state legislation published recently. Again, as you know, it's the new year, the new financial year is coming in, and there has been 16 UK statutory instrument that has been published. So we're gonna check it out. So, and that was on the 1st of April. So that's what has been published. Again, the first one, again, the Finance Act 2009, Section 101 and 102, Social Security Contribution Intermediaries Appointed Day Order 2021. Let's get that a little bit bigger so everyone can see. The next one is also the Judicial, again, Pensions Fee Paid to Judge Amendment Regulations 2021. Next one is the Specified Diseases Notification and Control Amendment, etc. England Order 2021. Next one is the Health Protection Coronavirus International Travel England Amendment number 11 Regulations 2021. And next one is the Corporate Insolvency and Governance Act 2020 Coronavirus Change of Expiry Date Regulations 2021. And we also have the Marriage and Civil Partnership Conversion of Civil Partnership and Fees Amendment Regulations 2021. And we also have the A303 Amesbury to Barwick Down Development Consent Correction Order 2021. Also, we have the Trade Preference Scheme EU Exit Amendment Regulations 2021. We also have the Financial Guidance and Claims Act 2018, Commencement number 7, Dissolution of the Consumer Financial Education Board Regulations 2021. We also have the Administration Restriction on Dissolved, etc. to Contacted Persons Regulations 2021. We also have the London Borough of Bromley Electoral Changes Order 2021. Also, again, the Network Rail Chart Lincoln Order 2021 is it Lincoln Order 2021. Then we also have the London Borough of Wandsworth Electoral Changes Order 2021. Also have the Royal Borough of Kingston upon Thames Electoral Changes Order 2021. Also, we have the Registration of Marriages Regulations 2021, and also the Civil Partnership Registration and Records Amendment Regulations 2021. As you can see, there has been a lot of, again, publications that has been put out. So, like I said, we're just gonna go and continue through it just to show you again from where we're getting from, because everyone is going through a lot of testing at this moment. So we're just gonna bring forward, the next, sharing of slides so everyone can understand what is going on, because this is the main topic of the actual day, people, because it's very important. So as you can see, look, we have, all right, again, this is the disposal sample swab, and it's very important. And where we have, again, this, it goes CE, and it's 0197, and it goes sterling EO, and it shows you this is for all manufacturers. They need this standard upon every product, and I'll show you to continue where it's also coming from. We need that right there. So to even add to it, because there is an act which again allows all manufacturer to again after published whatever their product is, have to have these symbols to show where again it's coming from, plus all of the things that pertaining to health. So we're gonna go also to the act, and this is very important. This is the Active Implantable Medical Device Regulation 2002, 1992, and this is very important to understand. So we're gonna go straight into it, because we have reviewed this act a few times. So we're gonna go straight into it. As you can see, the Active Implantable Medical Device Regulation 1992, and it shows you consumer protection, as you can see. So we're gonna go straight down into it right now, so we can show you exactly what is taking place. And this is again Schedule 1, and it has the EC mark, and this is the actual EC mark from what I just showed from the other slide. And this is Schedule 2. It shows you essential requirements for active implantable medical devices corresponding to Annex 1 of the directive. So we're gonna go down again to number 14, and it shows you the sterile package of the device must be legible and indictable the following particulars where appropriate in the form of generally recognized symbols. So they have to have recognized symbols, and it shows you the method of sterilization. That's important, very much important, and it has a lot of different indications. Yeah, but this is very important. So the next thing now we have to go towards is again what does, we're gonna close this, and we're gonna bring up the barrier again, just to make sure you understand what things are. So so we're gonna understand what this again mark is, what the symbols, what it's for, what it's recognized for. So we're gonna go to the recognizable place where we can have a great understanding of it. Okay, so we're gonna go to, and this department, and this is an international body also, so we have to be able to understand this international body. So we're gonna again share another link, and this link is the ISO. So this is the, again, the International Organization for Standards. As you can see, the sage symbol I showed, this is what the international body, International Organization for Standardization, have. So every product, they need this on their logo, if they're carrying it. This is the standard to understand what is it for. So it shows you title, meaning, referent, and it shows you function, description. It shows you sterilize using ethylene oxide, right? So we're gonna take that as, what does this actually mean? So you can see this is a standard code. This is all over the world. This is what will be used on the package when it's being sterilized by, again, as you can see, EO. This is where the code is, and it shows you fully. Yeah, the indicator says to indicate that the device is provided sterile and has been sterilized using ethylene oxide. So okay, so we're gonna go to another international body to actually find out what this actually means. And again, this is the body that we all should know about, and this is again .gov.uk. This is the government body, so it will show you again what this actually means. So, and it says again ethylene oxide sterilization, and we click there just to give you all of the the government information. And look, as you can see, it shows the ethylene oxide properties and incident management. So they know about that's gonna cause incident, and it shows again information on ethylene oxide for use in responding to chemical incident. So again, we're gonna click, and we're gonna click on that document. So follow everything through. So putting all the information there so everyone could have an understanding fully. So these are all government information. This is what they speak on ethylene oxide. And just to show you again, this document was published in 2016. So well before anything arrived, well before any disease, virus, COVID-19, long before it arrived, and it's showing you about ethylene oxide, right? So again, it tells you the key points: fire, and it shows you highly flammable, reacts with water, strong acid, alkalines, and oxide. There's an everything else, and it goes health. This is important. This is the important part. Again, main routes of exposure are inhalation and skin contact. Again, inhalation causes irritation to eyes, nose, and respiratory tracts, causing coughing, burning, again, sensation in the mouth, and again, all of the other medical terms, and it gives you everything that you may need to understand. So if there is a very identical situation going on here, so now again, and like I said, this is the Public Health England. So as you know, it provides all of the public health that we need to understand. And just gonna go to another just to show you again, it's not just one institute, but another institute, and this is again, yeah, we're gonna click there just to search some more. And this is, look, again, also this is the National Cancer Institute. So this is a government institute, National Cancer Institute, and it tells you what ethylene oxide, again, what it is, and it tells you, and also it tells you which cancers are associated with exposure to ethylene oxide. And as you can see, yeah, going through. So it's very important to go through. These are all of government websites, so you could clearly see what's going on. And yeah, so that's what it is for the Friday. At least I end on a strong note on a Friday. It's so great to understand. So this is a full cover, of what's going on. Yeah, so it's very covered. Everything is covered, and this is where we're gonna leave it. So I appreciate Monica Taylor again for passing through. Appreciate it always showing support. And again, this is closed for the week. Again, this is solved online, the online business information solution service through legislation.gov.uk for all clients at all levels in all problems. And today's topic was again solved online, the active implantable medical device ISO legislation updates and solutions. Again, solved online YouTube platform is to report on business solutions through legislation.gov.uk by reviewing and highlighting past and present acts. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to help build a global online business solution system on accountability, sustainability, and transparency in growth and protection. The motto solved online knows that there's no business like the king's business. Again, we're going to continue on Monday for more, again, updates. And I might just run it again over on Monday just to show more, again, details. Continue. Appreciate it. Again, Monica Taylor. Yeah, just to show more details. Again, give thanks and praise and appreciation. Hope everyone stays safe. Now, again, you see government information is more clearer for everyone to understand. And yes, have a great week and Easter. Like I say, everything going on right now. So I appreciate everyone.